Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Narrations by Namrata. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Today we'll be painting a beautiful bookmark using a thick sheet, a tape, two brushes and 4 shades of acrylic paints. So let's get started. I am drawing a circle. You can use a rounder, a simple coin. I just used the tube which was available. I'll be using a flat brush to make circular blends using acrylic shades, that is orange and a shade of red. Blending both the colors by moving my hand in a circular motions. Don't forget to use a thick sheet of paper for the bookmark. This is a sun themed bookmark, so I am using all warm colors, that is orange, yellow and red. Next, I will be using yellow. The yellow color will help me to show a glow of the sun. You have to be quick with acrylics. You can also use poster colors. Painting the edges with a darker red. Be careful while blending the color. Now moving on to the silhouette bird. I am drawing a bird with a pencil. Next, I'll be taking black on a round brush. You can also take dark brown or dark red for this. Be slow with the silhouette as there are chances you might go wrong. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Add tiny feather details to the bird to make it look more cuter. Moving on to the tiny feet and a branch of the tree. Our previous videos covers how to draw leaves with round brushes and flat brushes. You can refer the previous videos to draw leaves. And it's ready. Now it's time to de-tape it. The next bookmark, which is a night themed bookmark, will be shown in the next video, so stay tuned. Till the time, you can share the recreations, you can follow us on Instagram and hit the subscribe button. Isn't it so beautiful for people who read books? Or you can also gift it to someone. Stay tuned for this in the next video. Thank you for watching.